This tutorial will show you how to make a basic clutch purse with a metal frame. I've included a pattern that you can print out. If you visit the link in my description, you can download that for free. No email sign up required. The pattern was made for an 8-inch frame, but you can also easily adjust the pattern to fit whatever size clutch you want. I made this bag so that you can easily make it with a fat quarter-sized remnant of fabric. To start with, you want to cut out your pattern on the fabric, the lining, the interfacing, and the batting. Next, you want to apply the interfacing and the batting to the bag. I just basted them all on, but if you want to fuse the interfacing first, you can do that too. Now you want to fold the bag in half and sew the straight sides. Be careful to make sure that you're folding it in half the right way according to the pattern. Next, you want to give the bag some shape by creating a little triangle in the corner of the bag. So 1 inch from the tip here, and then turn the bag right side out. Now you want to do the same thing with the lining layer. You want to fold it in half and sew the sides, and then create those little triangle corners and sew 1 inch from the end. Now you want to place the bag inside the lining layer and sew along the edge with the right sides together. Make sure to leave a small gap in the top so that you can turn it right side out. Once you turn it right side out, sew up the gap and edge stitch all the way around the edge. Now it's time to add on the metal frame. The first thing you want to do is add glue into one side of the clutch frame. I like to work just one side at a time. You can use any kind of glue that works with both metal and fabric, but I prefer to use tacky glue because it doesn't dry too quickly, so it gives you time to finish getting the fabric into the frame before it dries. After getting a good amount of glue into the metal frame, start to push the fabric into the clutch frame. I used a pair of tweezers to help push the fabric in. You want to slowly work your way around from one side, pushing the fabric into the clutch frame and making sure that it's staying put. Once your fabric is securely inside the frame, you want to cut a piece of twine or string and push that into the frame too. Start on one end and slowly push the piece of twine into the metal frame. This adds a little bit more bulk, keeping the fabric from easily falling out. Then you just want to repeat that for the second side of the bag. When finished, trim off the excess twine and go ahead and test out your bag. You may want to wait 24 hours before putting anything heavy inside so that you can give the glue enough time to fully dry. And now you're finished. You have a cute little clutch bag that you can use.